Right. Start.
Good morning, dear students. Welcome to HSC English second paper classes conducted by Khulna Government Girls College. You know that now almost whole of the world is infected with a deadly virus corona, COVID-19. That's why we cannot run our as usual activities. As we cannot continue our regular classes, our respected principal sir, Professor T.M. Zakir Hussain, has taken a great initiative to bring your class at home. I hope you will be highly benefited if you follow these classes. Now, let's start. Now, let's start. Our today's topic is articles. I will explain the use of articles in a diagram. I think it will help you with the use of articles properly. Now, my dear students, you can see here articles are 4 in number: A, N, D and cross or zero article. My dear students, for your information, actually articles are one kind of adjectives. So, like adjectives, articles are used before nouns. For your better understanding, I have divided the nouns into two groups. They are definite and indefinite. If the noun is definite, it takes the. Here, these 1 to 9 are the conditions of being a noun being definite. It means if there is present participle after the noun, or past participle after the noun, or infinitive after the noun, or prepositional phrase after the noun, or case in apposition after the noun, or relative clause after the very noun, it means the noun becomes definite and it takes the. Another way, if the noun is mentioned for the second time, or if the noun is second to none or unique, it means if the noun is the only one in the world, or if the noun is known to both the speaker and the listeners, then it becomes definite and takes the. Here, these all about the definite articles. In the indefinite articles, again classified into two groups: countable and uncountable. If the noun is uncountable, it takes cross. It means it doesn't take any article. If the again here we can see the countable nouns are classified into another two groups. These are singular and plural. If the noun is plural, it takes cross. It means it doesn't take any article. Or if the noun is singular, it takes a or n. Here, now let us see how this diagram help us to use articles properly. My dear students, before anything, you just see whether the noun is definite or not. If the noun is definite, it takes the. If not, then it takes the others.
It means
cross. It means cross or a or n. Now let us see them in examples.
masculine.
Here, I have written two sentences. Here is a note for you. Actually, if a singular common noun is used for the first time in a sentence, it takes a or an. If the noun comes for the second time, then it takes the. Here, pen. The word pen is a singular common noun and it has come here for the first time. That's why here we will use a or an. As the word starts with a consonant, that's why it takes a. Here the answer is a. And this noun here is used for the second time. That's why it, according to notes, we will use here the. The answer is the. Now let us see another example about it. Dash students are playing in the field. Again, dash students playing in the field are industrious. Here in the first sentence, the students, it is an indefinite noun. The noun is not definite because here there is nothing this 1 to 9 in this case. That's why it is not definite.
Yes.
Besides, it's a plural noun. We know that plural noun takes cross. That's why the answer is cross. But in this sentence, here the noun students is definite because after the very noun here is a present participle. That's why it becomes definite, and we know that definite noun takes the. So the answer is the here. Let us see another example about this. Important for life. Dash water in the pot is dirty. Here, dash water is very important for life. Here, the word water is not definite because here, after this noun, we cannot find this type, this 1 to 9, this nothing. That's why it's not definite. Besides, it's an uncountable noun. We know that here uncountable noun takes cross. It means it doesn't take any article. That's why here the answer is cross. But in this sentence, the noun water is definite because after the very noun here is a prepositional phrase. Here it is a prepositional phrase. We know that a prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun. Here in is a preposition and pot is a noun. That's why we can say it a prepositional phrase, as there is a prepositional phrase after the noun That's why the noun becomes definite and it takes D according to rules. Here the answer is D. Now let's see another example about articles. Dash
Good.
dash medicine imported from Japan is costly.
It's expensive.
Expensive. Here you see the word medicine, actually it is not definite because there is nothing of this 1 to 9. That's why it becomes indefinite. It is not definite. Besides, it is an uncountable noun. We see in the diagram, we can see in the diagram, uncountable noun takes cross. That's why here the answer is cross. But in the second sentence, this medicine is definite.
Because
Medicine is definite because after this noun here is past participle. That's why it becomes definite and it takes D. The answer is D. Now, my dear students, here actually all types of indefinite noun such as uncountable nouns or singular nouns or plural nouns become definite if they fulfill these 9 conditions. They become definite. Now, last but not the least, I would like to share you one thing before I leave. Some people pronounce the word the is the, and some people pronounce as the. Today, if you ask me which one is correct, I will tell you both are correct, both are right. But question how? Let's see here with a very simple clue.
pronounce that.
Actually, it is about the pronunciation of the. Here, Dadir Sivi. If the word the is used before a word which starts with a consonant, then its pronunciation will be da. If a word starts with a vowel, and here the will be pronounced is the. Pronunciation is the. Actually, it is a short technique of remember it. Actually, do you know the origin of articles?
Example.
Here, actually, I want to notice. I want to show you some examples about the and the. Here, the cow, the cat, because here the word cat and cow starts with consonant. That's why the pronunciation is da. But the
egg.
umbrella, the egg. Here, the pronunciation of the word THE is the, because the word starts with a vowel. Do you know the origin of articles? Actually, N and R are the shortest form of
One.
one. Where can we use one? There
Only.
we use a or n. It means the n and a is originated from one, and the and that and these are the origin of the. No more today, my dear students. I hope I will see you very soon. In and our I think you this disaster will finish soon. Uh, so I hope you will stay home and you will safe. Thank you.